So imagine that you're building a house and you're framing it up. Every nail is just like every other nail, right? You want your trades to feel that way, but the only way to do that is to make them not really hurt if you get into trouble. And the only way to do that is to trade with asymmetric returns. You need to have very tiny risks that you can manage and more or less brush off, and then outsized returns that you can then concentrate on managing your profit instead of managing the risk. As a matter of fact, that's another real big difference between the retailer and the pro. The pro manages profit. The retailer manages risk. I like to say that, well, really, the retail trader is managing how to lose while the pro is managing how to win. The pin trades are really pretty cool. And with our strategy, with the simple butterfly, out of the money butterfly, your chances of a pin are relatively small, probably around 5 to 7%. However, there's also a spectrum of nice profits from the small risk to that pin trade. With the butterfly, it actually increases it dramatically. And the two things that the single out of the money butterfly and the Batman trade have in common is that they both are asymmetric trades and they both have right skewed long tail distributions. The difference is on the Batman, that long tail distribution. When I say long tail, that's really big outsized winners. Retail traders, when they're trading high probability strategies, do not have long tail winners. They have long tail losers and small winners. Pros trade the other way. They have small winners as well, but then they have the long tail winners and they have small losses, right? So with the Batman, you get that long tail, but it's a fatter tail. So you have the long fat tail. And that's the ideal situation that you want to be in. All right, so there's the rundown, the difference between being a pro and being a retailer. And it's also the difference in what we do here compared to what every other service does. Most other services are focused on, shoving at you what you believe are good trades. And what we do is turn you into somebody who is completely independent and can tell for yourself what's a good trade and then manage it. All right, there you go. There's the difference.